how to add the calendar upcoming events widget to the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Wallpaper and Style at the bottom here. Next, tap on the left-hand side panel at the top here, and then tap on the widget panel. This is the widget panel just below the clock panel. Tap on that and then tap on calendar. In here you can tap on upcoming events and that will be added to your widget panel. Next, tap on the done button at the top to save the changes. And now if you go to your lock screen, you will see that the calendar widget has been added to this widget panel. And that's it. If you tap on it, that will launch the calendar event. And here. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.